Hello everyone, I'm Maria. At Sublistar Tech, we have been focusing on in-depth discussion on DTF technology. The rapid development and update speed on DTF technology in recent years is amazing. I believe that many friends are curious about the latest progress of DTF technology. Therefore, today I would like to share with you some of my personal views on the update trends of DTF. Let us start this knowledge journey together. DTF, direct-to-film, direct transfer technology. As an advanced printing technology has always been the best choice for many customized services, with its advantages such as higher precision, high saturation, personalized customization, environmental sustainability, and adaptability to current trends, and has been applied in many fields. In recent years, more and more luxury brands have begun to use DTF technology because high-end customers often pursue personalization and differentiation, hope to own unique luxury goods. Therefore, some high-end brands use DTF technology to personalize and innovate covers for their clothing, accessories, and home furnishings. The reason is that DTF technology can quickly adapt to changes in cover trends. By adjusting cover formulas and printing parameters, it can easily present a variety of popular covers and novel patterns. Whether it is unique cover matching, personalized pattern design, or exclusive logos and signatures, DTF technology can easily achieve it, making every luxury item an exclusive work of art for the customer. In order to meet the requirements of high-end customers for the richness, uniqueness, and fineness of luxury goods, DTF printers have also been rapidly updated. Let's take a look at what adjustments they have made to the machines. Part 1. Innovation of the number of printheads and technology. 1. Increase the number of printheads. The number of printheads in DTF printers will continue to increase in the future. More printheads means more ink droplets can be ejected at the same time, which greatly increase the printing speed and meets the needs of large-scale production and high output. For example, some high-end DTF printers have developed from the initial single or dual printheads to the current 4, 5, or even 8 printheads, and the printing efficiency has been greatly improved. This trend is particularly evident in industrial-grade DTF printers, which greatly improves production efficiency. 2. Upgrade of printhead technology. In addition to the increase in number, the technology of printheads is also constantly upgraded. New printheads can achieve more precise ink droplet ejection, improve the resolution and image quality of printing. For example, Epson's micro-piezoelectric printheads technology can achieve high-quality printing effects by controlling the shape and size of ink drops of each nozzle. At the same time, the durability of the printhead is also constantly improving, reducing the frequency and cost of replacing the printhead, making the use of DTF printers more stable and reliable. The innovation of the number of nozzles and technology means that DTF printers can handle a wider variety of printing tasks, which can greatly save production costs and time. Many complex patterns and detailed designs can also be well presented, making DTF technology more widely used in clothing, home decoration, advertising, and other fields. Part 2. Optimization of oven function. 1. More efficient heating method. In terms of oven function, future DTF printers will adopt more efficient heating methods. Traditional ovens might have problems such as uneven heating and inaccurate temperature control, which affect the printing effect and product quality. The new DTF printer oven will adopt more advanced heating technology such as intelligent constant temperature control, infrared heating, etc., which can achieve more uniform and rapid heating, improve drying efficiency and quality. 2. Multifunctional integration. The function of the oven will no longer be limited to drying, but can also be integrated with other functions. For example, some DTF printer ovens have integrated shaping and sterilization functions, which can shape and sterilize the printed materials during the printing process, thereby improving the safety and hygiene of the product. The multifunctional integration of the oven will provide users with a more convenient and efficient printing experience. 3. Energy saving and environmental protection. With the continuous improvement of environmental awareness, the oven of DTF printers will also develop in the direction of energy saving and environmental protection. The new oven will adopt a more energy-saving design to reduce energy consumption. At the same time, more attention will be paid to environmental protection in the manufacturing materials and processes of the oven to reduce pollution to the environment. Part 3. Increase in the number of printed covers. 1. Cover richness. With the continuous development of printing technology, the number of printing covers of DTF printers is also increasing. From the initial 4 covers and 6 covers to the current 8 covers, 10 covers, and even more. Like our Sublistar has developed 12 covers. The improvement of cover richness allows DTF printers to print more realistic and vivid patterns. 2. Spot cover printing function. In addition to increasing the numbers of covers, DTF printers will also have spot cover printing function. Spot cover printing can more accurately restore specific covers, such as corporate brand covers, special logo covers, etc. This spot cover printing function will provide more powerful support for corporate brand promotion and personalized customization. 3. Cover management system optimization. With the increase in the number of printing covers, the cover management system will also be continuously optimized. More advanced cover management systems can achieve precise control and adjustment of covers to ensure that the printed covers are consistent with the covers of the design draft. At the same time, the cover management system will also have automatic calibration and compensation functions, which can automatically adjust cover parameters according to changes in the printing environment and materials, and improve the stability and reliability of printing. These trends not only improve the performance and quality of DTF printers, but also provide the possibility for their application in more fields. In the future, with the further developments of technology, DTF printers are expected to show their unique advantages and value in more fields. Let us wait and see. Friends who have read this may ask, how can I buy the latest DTF printer and enjoy DTF printing technology? Friends who follow us know that we Sublistar not only focus on the latest trends of the latest DTF technology, but also lead the new trend of the digital printing industry. Therefore, we have successfully developed a 12-cover printer to meet your printing needs with a wider cover gamut and achieve higher quality output. Next, I will introduce in detail the latest 12-cover printing machine around me, DTF Star IV 12-cover High Precision DTF T-shirt printer. This machine has significant advantages in printing quality, personalized customization, and efficient production. 1. 12-cover High Precision Printing. DTF Star IV is equipped with 4 Epson 13200 printheads. In order to process complex multi-cover designs for you more efficiently, we specially use a combination of 2 white printheads and 2 cover printheads, and each printhead can accurately spray different colors of ink. 2. Design detail restoration. Details are clearly visible, printing accuracy is higher, and high-quality effects comparable to professional printing are achieved. This not only enriches the layering and expression of colors, but also achieves more delicate color transitions, making the pattern more realistic and vivid. 3. Seamless multi-color printing. This printer seamlessly mixes 12 colors to create vibrant, coordinated designs, ensuring elements are precisely combined for professional perfection. 4. Stable printing. All our printers are high-quality materials and components in the manufacturing process, ensuring the durability and stability of the printer. For example, its printhead is made of high-quality materials, which has the characteristics of wear resistance and corrosion resistance, and can run stably for a long time without being easily damaged. In addition, other key components of the printer also use high-quality materials and manufacturing processes to ensure the stability and reliability of the entire printer. 5. Batch printing. The printer's efficient printing speed and one-key printing technology enable it to complete a large number of printing tasks in a short period of time. The efficient output capacity is especially important for customers who need to deliver orders quickly or respond to urgent needs. 6. Fresh environment. This machine has a built-in purifier that uses efficient purification technology to effectively purify and filter smoke. It purifies through chemicals reactions, so there is no need to replace the filter elements. This technology ensures that the printer can maintain a stable purification effect even when working continuously for a long time, and can effectively prevent dust from overflowing. In summary, Sublistar DTF Star IV 12-color High Precision DTF T-shirt printer is an advanced printing equipment that integrates high precision, personalization, and efficient production. Buying it will inject new vitality into your printing market and lead the new trend of personalized t-shirt printing. Thank you for watching. If our video is helpful to you, please remember to pay attention. Your support is our greatest motivation. See you next time.